राज्यातल्या 60 वर्साच्या जाणट्या मनशांक 2 वेळा जेवणाची सोय जावची ह्या जाणीवेंतल्यान निराधार शिधा टिफिन सर्व्हिस सुरू केल्ली आसा. निराधार ज्येश्ठांक आतां ह्या टिफिन सर्व्हिसेचो आधार जातलो. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Having this press conference is to spread the news, and who can do it? And the lovely press of Goa. I mean, you are the best people to spread the word of this. See, why? Because we want people to come up, and if they want tiffins from us, if they want any service from us, they can please contact us. Okay, that is the main aim of this Niradhar Shita tiffin service. So that is the meaning. Anybody who feels because see, many people don't come up. There have been cases which we know that people are hungry, but they are relatives, they are people, they don't want them to come up, and they feel ashamed that their parents or their relatives are taking this tiffin service. So if anybody wants, please spread the news.
आम्ही 2 टिफिना केल्या. एक तो दिता पर पर्सन देर आर 2 टिफिन्स. एक तो दिता आज दितलो आणि दुसऱ्या दिसा तो वचून दुसरे टिफिन दितलो ना हे घेऊन येतलो.
कॉन्टॅक्ट जातकूच ताची स्क्रुटनी जाता. व्हेरिफिकेशन टीम आसा ती वचून पळयता. डेटा ऍप्लिकेशन फॉर्म आसता ताचेर तांचो कन्सेंट आसता. कोणी तरी रेफरली दिवचे पडटा. सो ते सगळें करून जातकूच मागीर एक डेट आमी फिक्स करता आणि सुरू करता सप्लाय.
निराधार शिधा टिफिन सर्व्हिस आमची जी योजना आसा ती आमी लोकां पर्यंत पावोया आणि गोंयान कोणूच उपाशी रावपाचें ना हे आमी एक स्वेरींग करूया की कोणाकूच उपाशी दवरपाचें ना. आणि ही आमी आमची योजना सगळ्या घरांनी पावोया की अशें कोण आसा निराधार आणि आमच्या कडेन तांकां पावपाक जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमकां हेल्प करपाचें.
You can spread this thought of caring, and believe me, it's going to make a difference in each one's life. You can see the other person who's hungry and starving. You can see him happy. The happiness in his face will make you happy.